Hello everyone, welcome to DSA series arrays. Yesterday we have completed our first problem, next permutation. Today we are going to do rotate matrix by 90. So I tried this problem in this logic. So first what that rotate matrix by 90 says is we need to rotate the matrix in by 90 degrees in clockwise. This 1, 2, 3 will be appearing here, 4, 5, 6 here, 7, 8, 9 here. So what I observed in this matrix is, if we see Aij is changing to, if we consider this as an n-cross-n matrix, it is changing to Aj minus n minus I minus 1. It is changing like that, right? Aj n minus I minus 1. I tried to write that in this logic. Matrix J n minus I minus 1. So why this logic is wrong? Because the numbers are being overwritten. Instead of copying that, the numbers are getting overwritten. So what we are doing, this is logic is completely wrong. So I have a brute force approach for this problem is, if we consider a temporary matrix, another temporary matrix, take each element and put in this temporary matrix. If we have Aij, we will be finding the position of this one in temporary matrix and placing it right where. But this brute force approach takes a time complexity of big O of n square. So we are moving to the optimal code. So I'll be writing first class solution. Next again public void rotate function. If a default code and automatically it is getting right. So what will be first? Finding the length of the matrix. Then for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1. So first what we are going to do is, we'll be finding the transpose of this matrix. The transpose will become 1, 2, 3 here. This 1, 2, 3 in place of 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3 will be replaced. Similarly, this 4, 5, 6 will be here. 7, 8, 9 will be here. After that, what we are going to do? We are going to reverse each row. If we see 1, it was 1, 4, 7. If we reverse each row, it will be 7, 4, 1. So we'll be using the logic to first write the transpose of the given matrix, and then again we'll be reversing the each row. So for loop, we are writing these conditions for finding the transpose of the matrix. So for finding transpose of the matrix, first we are taking a temporary matrix. Then we'll be copying the values. we are going to reverse each row, right? So first we'll be taking in left equal to 0. This is a matrix, right? Not mat. I'm writing matrix. This will lead me to error. Next we are going to reverse each row, right? So first while left less than right. If for reversing each row, if we consider this as a row, we are taking this left equal to 0 and right equal to n minus 1. This will be 0, 1, 2, right? N cross and n equal to 3, so right will be n minus 1. So int I equal to 0 and left equal to 0 and int right equal to n minus 1. So while left less than right, until this condition is true, the loop will be running. Int temp equal to mat I left mat I left equal to mat I right mat I right equal to temp, then left plus plus right minus minus. Yeah, everything is perfect. Now let us run and see. Here we missed to write the increment. Now let us see again. Should be semicolon, not colon. We missed something again. And temp equal to mat I of left. What is wrong with this? Oh, this should be matrix, not mat. Our matrix. Everything should be matrix. Okay, let us run and see again. Yeah, so now all test cases has been passed. This is how we solved rotate by matrix split code problem. So today we had completed rotate matrix by 90°. Tomorrow we'll be seeing the finding the duplicate number. So thank you. Let us stop it here.